Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp error cannot set up the recorder now. Please try again later. Okay, now you can see your problems here. Now solve this problem. Okay, let's start. First of all, go to your settings. Click on settings. Now scroll down. Click on apps. Now click on search bar. Search for WhatsApp. Click on this. Now scroll down. Click on storage. Here first click on clear cache and then click on clear data. After that, go back to the previous menu. Now go to permissions. Here make sure to manually grant all necessary permissions to WhatsApp. Now allow all permissions. Now back to home screen and go to your Play Store. Check update your WhatsApp. Search for WhatsApp. Click on this. Now you can see WhatsApp already updated. Now back to home screen. So guys, after doing this, now go back to the home screen and reopen the WhatsApp app and check if the problem is solved. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.